Hey everybody, Tom here again from HID Projectors, and it's another Xterra day here. So I have on the table here two things to talk about. We've got a stage 2 setup and we've got a stage 1 setup. So whatever your flavor is, we'll go through the videos and explain to you guys what's going on with both of these and why they are so drastically different looking. The biggest takeaway, if you do not take away anything else from this video, is that the performance is identical regardless of the stage. So stage 1 and stage 2 have that phenomenal LED projector that's mounted right there in the middle of the housing. That gives you the bi-LED setup. So you have a complete low beam and a tremendous high beam all built into one, and this is 100% plug and play. You're going to get the same 9007 connector that you'd have from stock. Plug that sucker right in to your existing headlight connector, and your high beams and low beams are ready to rock. So from there, stage 1 comes in chrome or it comes in black. Obviously this is the chrome set. Looks very, very stock, very OEM plus kind of. If Nissan had the opportunity to have a bi-LED projector for the second gen Xterra, that's what it could look like. When you step up to stage 2, you see a bunch of drastic changes. One of them is everything's blacked out in this set and it has a different shroud. Now the shroud here is the Monster Shroud. That is the plastic casing that goes around the projector and gives it its look or its personality, right? Over here, this is a different shroud. You can see, if you kind of take a look at both of them here, the Monster Shroud over there peeking out in the corner, and then the mini Gatling Shroud here on the stage 1 build. Now, the Monster Shroud in the back, it's larger and it has two angel eyes. Those angel eyes, or halos as they're sometimes called, are LED rings that get mounted on or in the shroud. In this case, there's one mounted on the top of the shroud. That's the smallest full circle that you see. And there's a second larger one, kind of stepped back or staggered, mounted inside the shroud behind these window vents. And that gives you a stepped look. It's really unique to what we offer here, and it's one of our signature designs. And then the last thing you'll see is that red devil eye in the middle. It's just a small LED that we put in there to kind of let that projector glow. It's not your actual driving beam, it's just there for show. So if I were to turn that off, you hook that up to your own switch and then you can turn it on or off whenever you'd like. It's best used when it's like dusk out or you're taking photos and you're doing something cool, kind of showing off. That's where the devil eye shines. So now, the angel eyes are switchback angel eyes, if I didn't mention that, which also means that they have an amber function. They can operate as turn signals. And if you look closely here, I'll kind of emulate making a turn here. Your blinker turns on now, so blink, 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 and then it switches back to white. So those angel eyes turn amber. Other thing you can do is run them amber all the time if you want amber angel eyes. Or, like we have here on this set, we have the front angel eye set to amber and the rear angel eye set to white. So if you turn it back, it's the only turn signal ring now is the front. You can do that for the back as well. You could stagger these and make them look really unique or really cool. Personally, I think that looks really awesome in the amber setup. So that is a quick rundown of all the lights for stage 1 versus stage 2, their features, their functionalities, all of the cool kind of quirks and features, if you'd like to say that, of how these work and how they operate and what they look like. So if you have questions, we're only a phone call away. There is a stage 3, basically is the same thing as a stage 2, but instead of switchback angel eyes with red devil eyes, you get color changing angel eyes with color changing devil eyes. That just allows you to choose any color that you want. And then there's also a stage 4, which adds another halo around the turn signal area. So go check those out on the website. Each one of them has a very thorough review in the videos, which you can see and go through all things. There's pictures that you can take a look at as well. And ultimately it helps you decide what you want on your Xterra. So if you're looking for a high performance headlight that also looks amazing, we've got kits for those who are looking for a lower priced option. They start around $260 if you want to build your own lights, or you can spend all the way up to, I think it's almost $1,400 on a fully loaded set, and just about everything in between. That sounds like something that's up your alley. Give us a call, 716-662-3479, or just head over to the website at HIDprojectors.com, where you can take a look at all those options. You can add them to your cart, place your order, and we'll get a set built and out to you in about a week, sometimes faster. So I hope that helps, guys. Have a great day. We're signing off for the weekend. I hope everyone has a wonderful time.